how to backup and restore WhatsApp chats on Android or to restore them. If you want to backup and restore, first let's get started with backup. Now to backup our chats on WhatsApp, we open up WhatsApp. Tap on the three dots icon from the top right hand side and we simply go to settings. From here you want to go to the option chats. Then you want to scroll down and tap on the option chat backup and simply select it. From chat backup, choose a Google account where you want to backup your chats because it will be saved in the drive of that Google account. So on your new phone or the phone after you reset, maybe you want to recover your WhatsApp chat, then first you have to ensure that you are logged into this Google account. Then simply tap on backup. Choose what you want to backup, whether you want to include photos and videos, and you can select all those. Once you've done that, if you want to recover those backups, right, on a new phone, let's say, and of course making sure that this one is already logged out. So on your new phone, I'm just showing you a step. I will just try to go to this add account feature here. So let's assume that this is a new phone and that you're trying to recover your account. So on a new phone, when you enter the same exact phone number and you log in, and as long as you are logged into the same Google account, WhatsApp will give you an option to recover your chats. So it will give you an option initially only to recover your chats. You have to make sure to not miss it, and when you tap the recover button, your WhatsApp chats will be restored. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.